presentation that I chose is called The Happy Secret to Better Work. Sean Archer is the presenter. He is a graduate from Harvard University as a psychologist and is the CEO of Good Think Incorporated. This company researches people who are above average, and they also study how human potential, success, and happiness come together as a whole, which they call positive psychology. Sean was a very good presenter. He was well dressed, very energetic. He moved all around the stage, seemed to speak to every single person in the crowd. He did use visual aids and storytelling for his presentation. Visual aids were a PowerPoint slide. Most of the slides were relevant to his presentation. Some were just for the stories that he told. One thing that I would like to change about his presentation was he spoke very fast, which kind of went along with his energetic personality, but I would just have him slow it down a little bit. Every time the camera panned to the audience, they seemed to really be enjoying his presentation as much as I did. The one thing that drew me into this presentation was in the written details. It read, "We believe we should work hard in order to be happy. Are we thinking backwards?" This is relevant to me and many others because the society tells us that the more successful we are, the happier we become. The more money we have, the more things we have, the happier we are. Is this true? The first 6 minutes of the presentation are aimed at pulling you in, making you laugh, and keeping you interested. He then goes on to discuss how our brains actually work opposite of the society's belief for success and happiness. Our brains at positive are more successful than they are when we're negative, neutral, or stressed. 75% of our job and home success is predicted by optimism levels, social support, and the ability to see stress as a positive or a challenge instead of as a threat. He discussed how if we can reverse society's formula for happiness and success and find ways to become positive, our brains will become more successful and we will really see what we are capable of doing. Some things that he talked about were we should try to retrain our brains to think more positively. And to retrain our brains, it takes 21 days to do that. He gave us steps to do every single day for 21 days. And those are write down 3 separate things that we are thankful for a day, journaling all the positives that we've seen throughout our day, exercise, meditate, and random acts of kindness, even if it's to a complete stranger. He believes by doing these steps, we can retrain our brains to reverse society's formula for happiness and increase positivity in this world. This is a great presentation. Everyone should watch it. It was very good. Thank you.